Level 1 Shadowing Challenge. The boy who refused to quit. Hello, English warriors. Welcome to Level 1 of your English Shadowing Challenge. Today's story is called The Boy Who Refused to Quit. Let's begin. A young boy lived in a small village. His family was poor. They did not have many resources. However, the boy had a dream. He wanted to build a better future for himself and his family. Many people laughed at him. They said his dream was too big. They said he would never succeed. At first, the boy felt discouraged. He began to doubt himself. But one day, he made an important decision. He decided that he would never give up. Every morning, he woke up before sunrise. While others were sleeping, he was studying. While others were wasting time, he was learning new skills. The journey was not easy. There were many obstacles. Sometimes he failed. Sometimes he felt exhausted. Sometimes he wanted to quit. Yet he continued moving forward. He understood a powerful truth. Success does not belong to the most talented person. Success belongs to the person who refuses to stop. Years passed. The boy became stronger. His knowledge increased. His confidence grew. Slowly, people began to notice him. The same people who once laughed at him now respected him. One day, the boy achieved his goal. He built the future he had always imagined. His life changed completely. However, the most important change was not his success. The most important change was the person he had become. He had developed discipline. He had developed patience. He had developed courage. And those qualities became his greatest treasures. The story teaches us an important lesson. Difficult circumstances do not decide our future. Other people's opinions do not decide our future. Our daily actions decide our future. Every small step matters. Every effort counts. Every day is an opportunity to improve. So remember this. When life becomes difficult, do not quit. When progress seems slow, do not quit. When others doubt you, do not quit. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep moving forward. One day, your hard work will tell your story. Thank you for completing Level 1. Prepare yourself for Level 2. Your journey has just begun.